Bonk coin literally feels like one of the only meme coins right now in the market that is actually doing extraordinarily well. Over the last 7 days, beautiful performance here for Bonk coin. And just looking at the charts, it's just flying. It's looking really bullish. It's holding very well. It's not retested any sort of critical support levels. And it's even dipped through resistance a few times, 0.0003. So let's talk about Bonk today, ladies and gents. $1.8 billion market cap. We can see the all-time high MC was $2.7 billion. So we have clawed back a bit, but still looking very, very good. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video if you want to hit your crypto goals this coming bull run. And let's see what's going on. We can see Bonk are heading back to London soon. This could be really cool to check out. Might even go there myself. Just literally say hi, walk around, see who's there, maybe recognize some people. Could be very exciting to see what Bonk are doing, because it's nice to see them networking. You know, they're going to the hacker house or something like that. Could be worth checking out. Also, guys, just want to quickly say, if you want exposure to some mega bullish trading signals, check out my VIP community in the Patreon group, which is down below. Become a crypto legend for $100 a month, and boom, you will unlock all those VIP benefits, which will help you go from a trader with a lack of confidence to a trader that can surf through the volatility of the markets and also become more proactive with your decision making when trading. Back over to Bonk. What do we have here? So we can see Bonk has dipped down a few times over the last week, but it's really looking quite strong at the moment. And for Bonk, we do want to see a retest of these resistances, and I guess the all-time high here of 0.000047. We're not that far away from seeing Bonk actually get back to that level. Only another 62% is what we're asking for. We do have quite a lot of resistance to chop through. However, at this point, 2.8 region, as you can see, there was quite a bit of resistance. Now, what did happen last time? You know, in a video, we were talking about the daily relative strength index. When you come down to these 30 RSI levels for Bonk, usually reflects a good time to buy. Fast forward to today, we reached that very recently as well. Again, we hit another not sub 30, but a low 30 RSI, which is created by being oversold and a lot of fear in the market. We can see that happened again. And since then, the price has come back up. So far, every time Bonk does go down to these sort of levels of about 30 on the RSI, it's proving to reflect a good time to buy in, and maybe even dollar cost average. Looking at the support, it does look extremely strong. You can see it's a really nice sort of diagonal support here, almost creating a macro ascending triangle where, of course, we're seeing the impulse, we're getting the big pump, we're correcting down, impulse, pump, and correction. So we're speculating that this will be the next target, and then a breakout to the upside up to the point maybe 0.072 region, which would be absolutely humongous. That would take us into our price target, delivering a 2x for Bonk, delivering a market capital between $3 and $4 billion. So that's why I think it's very realistic that we could see Bonk do a 2 to 3x from these current price levels. Of course, you can look out for your RSI and wait for that next sort of 30 region on the relative strength index to time your entry and try and find a good place to potentially buy into, rather than chasing the green candles every single time. But I think right now Bonk is looking good, and of course it's had an amazing history, an amazing run. If you got down here in October, you would be up only a whopping, wow, is that like, that's insane. So that's a 10x, that's a 200x. You'd be up 130x if you bought in down there. Do remember that you are buying a bag that has already pumped 130x. That's why it's only going to do a 2x from here. It's not going to do 130x anymore. So that's one thing to also bear in mind. Bonk is still looking pretty strong. The total supply is 93 trill. There is 68 trill in circulation, so we could still see more emissions and a little bit of token dilution along the way, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Fear and greed index, we're sitting at 51, a neutral market. Everyone is feeling a little bit bored, a bit deflated. It's kind of like, just when is something going to happen? Nothing is happening. It's so boring right now. I think we're all feeling a little bit bored. But if you are feeling that way, just come and hang out in the Discord channel. Come down below, join in with the fun. Discord's great. We've got about 24,000 members in here. So if you want to hang out with a community, just talk about crypto or anything in general, Discord is down below waiting for you guys. In fact, if you could just do me a favor and just let me know if that link is even working. Like, if you click that link, does it actually take you to the Discord? Because sometimes it expires and it's like, I'm trying to create this community and then it doesn't happen the way I want it to. Oh well, technology. Bitcoin 62k. Just a quick update on Bitcoin as well. I think we're sitting in a great place, and the fact that Bitcoin feels boring at $62,000 for me is bullish, because last time round we were sitting here in 2021 at the same price region. It was feeling really euphoric, and we're actually consolidating around this level as opposed to just hitting it euphorically, dumping back down 30-40%. We've not had that major dump. We've not had a 50% dump. Last time round was weird. We had a 50% correction, then we pumped again, but we've not even seen a big 30-40% correction yet at the moment. We can also see crypto, the term on Google Trends, is slanting down a little bit. The search volume, the general retail interest for cryptocurrency is on a dip, so it could present a good opportunity to get back into those markets when things are on the sort of lower side, I could say. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you're new here. Do remember, none of this is financial advice, and I'll see you very soon. Consider becoming a patron as well. Space is very much limited. Only 12 Crypto Legend slots available. See you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.